Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for shoe enthusiasts, the HOUNDSBAY Cedar shoe tree. This is not just any shoe tree, it's considered one of the best wood shoe trees for men. With a combination of functionality, quality craftsmanship, and aromatic cedar, this shoe tree promises to preserve your shoes while keeping them fresh. The HOUNDSBAY Cedar shoe tree is expertly designed to absorb moisture and dissipate odors, ensuring that your footwear remains in pristine condition. Made from USA-grown eastern red cedar, this shoe tree is both beautiful and functional. It effectively retains the shape of your shoes, preventing creases and ensuring longevity. The aromatic properties of cedar are an added bonus, providing a fresh scent that helps keep your shoes smelling pleasant. What sets this shoe tree apart is its unique design. Each tree features right and left engravings, making it easy to insert and remove, a simple yet thoughtful detail that enhances user experience. The shoe trees come with a spring-loaded expander, which allows them to fit snugly into your shoes, effectively maintaining their shape. This design is especially beneficial for leather shoes, which can lose their form over time. The split-toe design further aids in preserving the shoe's back shape, making it a top choice for anyone serious about shoe care. These shoe trees are versatile, designed for various types of shoes, including dress shoes, sneakers, and boots. Whether you're storing your favorite pair of loafers or your best dress shoes, the HOUNDSBAY Cedar shoe tree can accommodate your needs. It comes in multiple sizes, ensuring a proper fit for any shoe type. This versatility makes it a worthwhile investment for any footwear collection. Taking care of your HOUNDSBAY Cedar shoe trees is simple. They are hand wash only, allowing you to maintain their fresh scent and durability over time. With minimal maintenance, you can ensure that these shoe trees serve you well for years to come. In addition to their practical benefits, HOUNDSBAY is committed to sustainability. They donate 10% of their profits to tree planting initiatives, making your purchase not just an investment in your shoes, but also a contribution towards environmental sustainability. This thoughtful aspect of their business model adds a layer of value to the product, allowing you to feel good about your purchase. So, if you're looking for a way to extend the life of your shoes while keeping them fresh and well-shaped, the HOUNDSBAY Cedar shoe tree is an excellent choice. Its quality construction, functionality, and aromatic benefits make it a standout option in the market. Be sure to check them out if you want to treat your shoes with the care they deserve. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shoe care.